YouTube fans, this is my Nerf collection, and I worked really hard on it, and some guns I bought with my own money, and some guns I got for Christmas, and it's complicated to explain. And I'm gonna be shooting this gun, and this gun. And these two, they don't do anything. And this one and alright. The first one I'm gonna do is Hellfire. I got it for my son's birthday. It can hold 8 clips. And as you can see here, there's those 2 things there. And I've been practicing at my shooting range. I pretend I have shooting range. And I work really hard to do these videos. Well, actually, this is my first video I ever made. And I have my 18, but it doesn't have 18. I can't find other boards. Alright, so here's. Alright, I'm gonna shoot it all the way from back here, all the way from there. It's gonna be. Alright. I shot the 18. Now we're gonna there. So now you know how that gun can work. So now we're gonna move over to this gun. You can put anything in it, only if it can fit in there. And that's my dog. She's a cutie pie. And alright. Now, sorry. Now, it doesn't shoot very far. Now we're gonna do this one. Alright. Well, it's kind of hard to do. So I'm just gonna shoot it. So it shoots really fast. Alright, now we're gonna move on to, okay.